Hello once again, YouTube, and welcome to another video. That by yours truly, Robert Lewis of the Knights of Awesomeness. Now you might be wondering, why am I got this hood down? Well, it's because I wanted a creepy way to introduce this spooky review. But boys, hello, yeah. Yes, so. So, we've reviewed Friday the 13th part 4, Alien, Scream, Ghostlight. So, what else should I review? Oh, and also It, but who cares about that? Well, I should review either Texas Chainsaw Massacre or Nightmare on Elm Street. I'm gonna go with Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The movie that said it was based on a true story, when in fact it wasn't based on a true story because, I don't know, they like to lie. Yeah. And it generally fooled people back in 1970 something. Yeah. And it is legit creepy. It is. And it's a very gnarly movie. The direction in it is good. Toby Hooper did a wonderful job with the film. But yeah. But it's very tense. It is, especially, and I like Leatherface's character, a very disturbed individual, wearing the skin of his fellow humans on his face, which is the most terrifying part of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Well, unless the fact that you'll be mowed down by a guy with a chainsaw. Yeah, outside of that fact. Yeah. Yeah, aside that, he is a bit of a terrifying character and very complex, even though he just grunts and moans when he talks in the oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It's so gnarly, so realistic, even though it doesn't have any blood at all. No, seriously, it doesn't have any blood. I know, right? Most, especially with the whatchamacallit, the oh god, trying to think of what to say. Yeah, it's so tense and so disturbing and really awful and so gross. And with stuff like the Saw films, like Jigsaw is out now, and who gives a shit? I mean, what? Yeah, it's just brilliant. What else? What more do I have to say? Now, my next video might be my spooky Halloween special. Yeah, so wait for that spooky treat when it arrives. Ooh, I'm so scared. So I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and this movie gets a 10 out of 10. I'll see you then. Bye.